If you don't already have a Social Security number, you can request one for free. It's a 9-digit number that stays with you for life, and you'll need it for things like paying taxes, applying for jobs, opening bank accounts, or even getting a passport. To apply, go online and start the process. After you fill out the form, you'll need to visit a local Social Security office with your documents. If everything checks out, they'll mail you your card within 2 weeks. US citizens can apply easily, and non-citizens may also be able to apply if they're working, studying, or have a valid reason. This includes international students, foreign workers, children born in the US, and even certain applicants like those under DACA or survivors of domestic violence. To start, click the blue Get Started button. If you already have a Social Security number and just need a replacement card, go to the official SSA website. You'll be asked a few questions to check if you qualify. First, choose if the request is for you or a child. Next, confirm if you're a US citizen. Then, they'll ask if you have a US mailing address. This can be a home address or even a PO box. You also need a valid driver's license or state ID that isn't expired. After that, select the state that issued your ID. They'll ask what changes you need, like a name update, birth details, or if you're just requesting a replacement with no changes. They'll also ask if you know your Social Security number. If you're eligible to apply online, the site will guide you through it and show you exactly what documents you'll need to upload. It'll also tell you what types of documents are not accepted, so double-check that before submitting. That's all you need to get your Social Security number or a replacement card.